And the politics over Muslim quota also continues to escalate. After the BJP promised to end religion-based quota, BJP ally and TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu backed the Muslim quota in Andhra Pradesh, saying that the TDP is committed to protecting the rights of Muslims. Now, Naidu's son Nara Lokesh, in an exclusive interview to CNN News 18, also said that if elected to power, TDP would continue the 4% reservation for backward groups among Muslims. Now, soon after Naidu's remarks, Andhra Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy also slammed Chandrababu Naidu, saying that he is behaving like a chameleon and that his stand differs from the stand of his ally BJP.
Ultimately, everybody has to move towards economic improvement or economic empowerment, not religion-wise. For historically, politically, culturally, there are some caste or religions are more backward. Even whenever I am studying all these things as a philosophy, why particular community is backward? Why particular religion is backward?
रंगनाथ मिश्रा और सज्जर कमीशन की रिपोर्ट लाकर मुसलमानों को आरक्षण देने का षड्यंत्र एक कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया। जब तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक भी कार्यकर्ता जिंदा है, पिछड़ा वर्ग का आरक्षण छीनकर मुसलमानों को आरक्षण हम नहीं देने देंगे, नहीं देने देंगे, नहीं।
Another big story is the 4% quota row which has come to the fore. BJP is very clear that they want to remove or do away with religion-based quota. Jagan Mohan Reddy today said that he's going to ensure that all the rights of the minorities are safeguarded. CAA, NRC, 4% quota, they stand by that. We've also seen, do you think you're on a sticky wicket? Because Mr. Naidu, I had seen, or was extensively campaigning, reaching out to the minority community because they are core vote bank for you. But with BJP being anti-reservation, where do the balances match here?
See, I think Jagan Mohan Reddy has attention deficit disorder because it is his party who voted for CAA. All his MPs voted for CAA. So I'm surprised that he's taking again a J turn on subject. Number one.
He's trying to corner you on the...
No, but he voted for CAA. It's a matter of fact, it's on record, number one. Reservation is something that we stand by from day one. See, Telugu Desam party only knows Telugu people. And we are here for the welfare of Telugu people. We don't know caste, we don't know religion, we don't know region. So we stand for the welfare of Telugu people and we stand by 4% reservation. It will be implemented in Andhra Pradesh.
But he has in fact challenged Naidu Garu to let go of the alliance if at all the BJP is firm on the 4% quota. He's quote unquote said that if Naidu really stands by the minorities, then he should have the dare in him to let go and challenge BJP. Why is his stand not clear?
Our stand has been clear. Mr. Naidu has made it very clear that 4% reservation is here to stay. I will throw a serious challenge to Jagan. Then why did you vote for CAA? Why did Jagan and all his MPs vote for CAA? He should answer this. He should stop playing vote bank politics and get on with the business of running a state, which he has ruined.
But is there a consensus among all your alliance partners over the quota issue?
We stand by it.
What about BJP?
That's left for them, but as far as Telugu Desam and Jansen is clear, we stand by it.
నేను చెప్తా ఉన్నా 600 100 4% రిజర్వేషన్లు ఉండి తీరాల్సిందే. ఇది మీ జగన్ మాట, ఇది వైఎస్ఆర్ బిడ్డ మాట. ఇలా మోడీ గారి సమక్షంలో చంద్రబాబు ఇలా మాట్లాడగలుగుతాడా అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాడు మీ బిడ్డ. మరి మైనారిటీల రిజర్వేషన్లను రద్దు చేస్తామన్న తర్వాత కూడా ఎన్డీఏలో ఎందుకు కొనసాగుతా ఉన్నాడు ఈ చంద్రబాబు అని అడుగుతా ఉన్నాడు మీ బిడ్డ. సందర్భంగా నేను ఒక్క మాట చెప్పాలి. ఇక్కడున్న వేల జనాలకే కాదు, రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్న జనాలందరికీ కూడా చెప్పాలి. 4% రిజర్వేషన్లు కేవలం మతం ప్రాతిపదికగా ఇచ్చిన రిజర్వేషన్లు కావు. ముస్లింలలో కూడా ఉన్నత వర్గాలకు ఆ రిజర్వేషన్లు వర్తించడం లేదు. పఠాన్లకు వర్తించడం లేదు, సయ్యదులకు వర్తించడం లేదు, మొఘల్స్కు వర్తించడం లేదు. ఇవి కేవలం వెనుకబాటు ప్రాతిపదికగా మాత్రమే ఇచ్చినవి. అందరూ గమనించాల్సింది ఏమిటి అనంటే అన్ని మతాల్లో కూడా బీసీలుంటారు, అన్ని మతాల్లో కూడా ఓసీలుంటారు. మరి అలాంటప్పుడు